Hi, and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi, and I'm your host, and you are looking at my spring giveaway, and I'm about to pick the winner for this giveaway. So just to kind of remind you guys, this is the one where I had the spring color palette in it. We have a package of ice yarn, and I also dip dyed some beautiful yarn for you guys as well. So we're going to go over here to the YouTube random comment picker. So some of the stuff on the random comment picker has changed a little bit. There's now a premium kind of comment picker, but we're not going to worry about that because the most important thing is that we include replies to the comments and we filter duplicate users. This is the URL for that spring giveaway. And see, 3 plus 9 is 12. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to click this button. We're going to find out how many people entered to win. All right. So we had 402 unique comments. So I'm really excited to pick who's going to win. So what we do is I just click this start button. It's going to cycle through a bunch of names, and whoever it lands on is going to be the winner, as long as they answer the question, what is your favorite thing about spring? Are you guys ready to find out who wins? I know I am. Let's go ahead and find out now. Michelle Yu, aka Yarny Disaster. She says, I love the new beginnings at spring. Beautiful giveaway again. Good luck, everyone. So, Michelle Yu, our Yarny Disaster. I feel like a Yarny Disaster a lot of times. What I need from you is for you to find my email, which is nichecraftwithkassi@gmail.com. It will be either in the video description or in the pinned comment. You can find it either place. And I just need for you to send me an email with your mailing address so that I can send your winning package to you. For those of you who didn't win, please congratulate Michelle and know that I will have many more giveaways in the future. Hopefully the next one will be posted within the next 24 hours. All right, guys, I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.